why transpiler? So now only the real need for transpiler arises. So actually in JavaScript, which is supported by Chrome, Firefox, IE and other browsers, they have the version of ES5. So JavaScript is maintained by this ECMA association. And in 2015, the company introduced an edition called ES6, ECMAScript 6 version. So here this ES6, they introduce a functionality called import, but this functionality is not supported by all browsers, Chrome, Firefox, IE, etc. To avoid this, they introduce a concept called transpiler. So this transpiler converts all the code written in ES6 to ES5 itself, so that it can be supported by Chrome, Firefox, and IE and other browsers. So this is what the transpiler picture comes in. So what is the environment of TypeScript? How it will be? First step is to install a Visual Studio Code, and step 2, you have to install this node.js. What is the need to install node.js? Node.js is an open source server environment, and it's also free. Runs on various platforms. It runs on various platforms like platform independent, like Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac, etc. It is mainly asynchronous programming. That is, simultaneously it can work on two tasks. It will not wait for a single task to complete and then continue with the next task. For example, I will give the pictorial representation of this client who is accessing who is passing the task to the server. For example, he will send the task to the server. The programming language may be ASP or ASP or anything, and he will send the task to the server, and the server, it reads that task, and normally it will for reading the task it will wait to read the task, to open the file system and read the file, and after up to that time he will client will wait. So after finishing the task, finishing reading the file only, it will send the reply to the client. Whereas in Node.js, client will not wait until he reads a file. So he will send the task to the Node.js, will send the task to the server. Server will read the file system. So at the time of read this file system itself, he will uh, he will return the content. After reading the file, he will return the content. Client will not wait until he opens and reads the file. While opening and reading the file itself, he will send the content to the client. So this way it is eliminating the idle time, waiting time, and it continues with the next request. So it is otherwise called single threaded or non-blocking or asynchronous, whatever you can call it. So by using Node.js, we are installing npm. Through npm only TypeScript packages can be downloaded. Node package manager. So we are not writing any code in Node.js, but Node programming is separate. It is actually a separate programming language. Separate programming, you have to say it's a server side. No server side programming. You have to do it, and that is different. So apart from that, you can install just a no. You can install the Node.js in the system in order to work with the TypeScript. So current version of the Node.js is version 8, and the version is upgradable. And what is the editor you will be using? Visual Studio Code Editor is a code editor for both TypeScript and Angular. So it is also open source and cross-platform and support Windows, Linux, and Mac. It supports multiple languages like C Sharp, Python, C++, etc.